Hi, my name is Natasha, and I'm a therapist at the Meatpacking Spa here in New York City. I've been working for Caudalie for 6 years, and today I am here to introduce you to the brand new Caudalie Vinotherapist Vegan Body Butter. I don't know if you already know this, but Caudalie has a wonderful heritage spa, and this formula was developed with the help of the experts therapists like me. This formula is so luxurious. Some of my clients have very dry skin, and because of that, it could be very uncomfortable and itchy. I always recommend the vegan body butter to truly moisturize the skin and make them feel much more comfortable. It will really help with dry skin and damaged skin. And this is a clean alternative to over-the-counter products to help with dermatitis and eczema. The 98% natural formula will have nourishing ingredients such as the organic shea butter and some omega-rich plant oils, which will really help to repair and strengthening the skin barrier. If you struggle with dry skin, I will recommend you to apply this cream every morning and night. Warm an almond-sized amount in your hands and massage into the skin, alternating hands in upward movements to help with lymphatic drainage and deeper product absorption. It has such a rich, buttery texture for soft and hydrated skin without leaving any greasy finish. Its natural almond scent will make you feel transported to a Caudalie spa. So I really hope you'll take this time to indulge in this self-care moment.